I don't want poop on the porch. So this is a problem. So whenever you see a chicken out on the porch, scare it off.
Under this bush. You know what? Stink the shovel. I'll be back. Language. BRB. But that must be something. Hey!
Thank you, sir. Something's growing on from the compost pile. Thinking pumpkin or cucumber? We'll have to wait and see. Whoa, that got big. It's doing phenomenally well. Zero Christmas tree. It's probably not good to have all that next to the shed, but I want to do the porch. One thing at a time. This thing is awesome. Getting the crevices.